Hello student, good morning. Today we are going to start our new chapter in subject EVS. Lesson name is friendship. So we all know about what is friendship. So in this lesson we study about friends which first is Lord Shri Krishna and his friend Sudama. So first we will study about the close friends of Sudama and Shri Krishna. So let's start the lesson. You have heard the name of Shri Krishna. Everyone know about Lord Krishna. Every year Janmashtami is celebrated in your school, in our school, in every school we celebrated Janmashtami. In ancient time there were no schools like present times. At that time children used to study in ashrams. So in ancient time children goes to study, for study they will go to ashram. All students had to live away from their homes in ashrams for education. In present times like student live in hostel. So just like in past times, ancient time, students go for study and they live in ashram also and get education. Shri Krishna and Sudama also studied in Guru Sandipani's ashrams with other students. Both were good friends. Eating, wandering, reading and other ashrams activities were performed by together. Okay. After the completion of education, both returned to their homes. Shri Krishna was the prince of Mathura. Who is the prince of Mathura? Lord Shri Krishna. After migrating to Dwarika, he became famous as Dwarikadish. We all know Lord Krishna is called also Dwarikadish. Sudama was living in his village as a common man. His economic condition was not good. It was becoming very difficult for Sudama to earn his living. One day Sudama's wife said, Shri Krishna is your childhood friend. Why don't you ask him to help you? Because Shri Krishna is a king and Sudama is very poor condition. So his wife asked him that why don't you ask him to help you. Sudama was reluctant to accept her advice for many days, but on wife's request Sudama accepted her advice. Many times he ignored her wife that she asking about to go and meet Lord Krishna, but finally he agreed and after a long journey Sudama reached Dwarika. Sudama was surprised seeing the glory of Dwarika because Dwarika is the king's Shri Krishna. It's such an attractive and beautiful place and of Dwarika, so Sudama was surprised to see. On reaching Shri Krishna's palace, Sudama requested the gatekeeper, I am Sudama, Shri Krishna's childhood friend. I have come here to meet him. Let me go inside. It surprised the gatekeeper because Sudama's condition is so merciful. So they saw that how a poor guy is a friend of kingdom of King Dwarikadish. So they were surprised, but finally on Sudama's request he went inside and informed Shri Krishna. When Shri Krishna heard the name of Sudama, he is a close friend of Shri Krishna. So when he heard that Sudama was come to their kingdom, he ran to the gates and hugged Sudama. After some meeting of both overwhelmed all, Shri Krishna took him the throne with honor. After watching Sudama's condition, Sri Krishna realized Sudama's state of mind and helped him. Without asking any thinking about their Sudama's, their livelihood, their poor condition, Sri Krishna realized all things because he was his close friend, and close friends know everything about his friend. So that's called friendship. It's a true friendship of Sudama and Sri Krishna. So there is an exercise, think and answer. How do you feel when you meet your friend after a long time? We feel very happy. Okay. What will you talk about? We talk about our lives, what's going on, and how's your family. So it's all thing we talk about our friends. If your friend is in need, how will you help him? You help him with money, and with you have no money, and if your friend is sad, so you make him feel happy. So you tell him funny jokes, stories. So you do everything for your friends. Okay. And next exercise, you write down in your book that why are friends necessary? Friends are necessary because they help us. We play with friends and share our things with them. Okay. What can friends do for us? When we are in trouble, friends help us. Okay. And next question is, how you ever help your friend? If then how? If yes, then how? You all help your friend? Yes, obviously yes. When my friend was sad and I made him listen a funny joke, so he become happy. Okay. So these are some questions, and I write also their answers. Next is about discuss with your father about his close friends. You all students discuss with your father that who is his friends and how they will help your father. Okay. Next is the friendship between person and animals. We have not only friendship between only human beings, human to human. Our friends will become animals, any pet animals. So we discuss next story about a cow and a boy named Gopal. What is the name of this boy? Gopal, and this cow name is Kaveri. Okay. So next story is about Kaveri and Gopal's friendship. You read the story of two friends. We see friendship between the human beings. Okay. Because Sri Krishna also a human and Sudama also human. But have you ever seen friendship between humans and animals? Now we will tell you the story of Gopal. His name was Gopal, and Gopal had a cow in his house. He reared up the cow with great affection and care. We see in this picture that Gopal cared his cow, and he named her Kaveri. After coming home from the school, he used to pat Kaveri and her calf with his hands. Gopal used to give green grass to Kaveri to eat. While feeding, he cares Kaveri and her calf. What is the meaning of calf? The kids of cows called calf. Okay. One day he was late in coming home. Gopal daily come to the time and meet his animal Kaveri, but one day he was late and his cow starting mooing. Kaveri become restless, started looking here and there because she also worry about Gopal. Gopal's mother was watching the cow. Suddenly the cow broke the string and ran away. Gopal's mother also ran after her, but she could not find the cow. Mother came back home disappointedly and waited for Gopal. After some time, mother saw that Gopal and the cow were coming together. Now mother understood that Kaveri was restless because Gopal was late in coming and cow went to fetch him. If we keep the animals with affection, they can become our good friends. So only human being and animals also become friend if we get affection of them. Okay. So think and answer. Why was Kaveri restless? Because Gopal was late to come home. Okay. So this question answer is because Gopal was late in coming and cow went to fetch him. Okay. If you are friends with animal like Gopal, was share your experience. If you have your pet animal like cow, dog and cat, so you share your experience in the class when school will be open. You come to school and explaining your experience with the animals. So next is loyalty. In friendship, loyalty and trust is most important. Okay. So next is about loyalty. Maharana Pratap's royal and favorite horse was Chetak. What is the name of Maharana Pratap's horse? The name of Maharana Pratap's horse was Chetak. Okay. So Maharana Pratap we all know because we live in Udaipur city. So we all know about Maharana Pratap, who is a great king of Udaipur. And in the battle of Haldigarh, you all go. Haldigarh is a tourist place. In spite of his injured leg, he took Pratap to a distant safe place. When in battle, Maharana Pratap was injured, then his horse Chetak took Pratap and go safe place. He crossed the water course in one leap. On his way, Chetak died after taking Maharana to a safe place. When Chetak took Maharana Pratap and take them safe place, then it was died. So examples like Chetak, royalty and friendship are rare in history because this is a friendship between a king and his horse. So this type of loyalty and friendship was rare in history. For this reason, Chetak is always remembered with Maharana Pratap. A train between Delhi and Udaipur is named as the Chetak Express. So what with their friendship and loyalty, we remember Chetak and Maharana Pratap friendship. So then think and answer. Who was Chetak? Chetak was loyal horse of Maharana Pratap. What was the relation between Chetak and Maharana Pratap? True friendship. Okay. Why do we remember Chetak? Because Chetak, loyalty and friendship rare in history. For this reason, Chetak is always remembered. Okay, students. So this is our lesson, and in this lesson we learned that there is no influence of poverty and richness on friendship. Animals also understand friendly emotions. We must keep the animals with affection. Chetak was the loyal horse of Maharana Pratap, and despite the leg injury, Chetak took Maharana to a safe place. We should help our friends at time of adversity. And final question is, what are the losses of war? So of war there are lots of loss, because if we war, there is a property loss, there is a human beings loss. We all know about in war many of people were died and many people were murdered and killed by each other, and they will fight, and so this is only losses in the world, so we try to keep friendship with each other and spread friendship with loyalty and trust. Okay student, thank you.